Hi all, this is Venkatesh. Welcome to Tech Tip of the Day. Today we are looking at how can we create dynamic uh, table with the top 5 or top 10 revenue or sales or hours based on the requirement. Let's jump in. Here I have some summary data on the stationery spend. I would like to dynamically bring top 5 or top 10 based on user input. Let's start with the first step. First, you need to ensure the data range is stable. If not, just go to insert, convert them into table. And the second step, we need a serial number to show top 5 or top 10 record. I'll be using sequence formula. So, and click on the user input where based on that 5 or a 10, it will give you serial number. Okay, so I entered 5, so I have a 5 value. So next step is to filter the value 5 or 10. I'll be using filter function is equal to filter. The array will be my data set, comma. Next, include is the value based on what you need to filter. In this case, it's the stationery spent. I will select, and to identify whether it's top 5 or which are the 10 records we need, I will be using large function. Meaning, so I need greater than or equal to, I will use large function here, and it's need array. Again, select the value field, and it's asking for a k or n record. That's where based on user input. So I'm good. Let me close the bracket. So here you go. Based on user input, it brought the 5 records. If I change it to 10, I will get 10 record or 8 record. It dynamically changes based on user input. So if you'd like to sort, say example, as of now my data set is sorted. That's the reason I'm getting directly top 5. If not, then you can change your filter or a formula with the sort option. Sort, you already have a array, comma, sort index. It's a third column, that's what I want to sort it, and descending. So close the bracket, and we are good. Even if your data set, say example, if this is on sorted small to highest, still you will get highest to smallest based on your ascending or descending order. Hope this is helpful to create dynamic table. Thank you for watching this video. Watch out this space for more such videos.